Welcome to all of you who are watching. I am K. Madhavan Pillai, Chief Editor of Better Photography. And please welcome Badri Narayan, who's the National Head of Sales at Better Photography as well. We are here to celebrate the TIPA World Awards 2021 winners in a special certification ceremony for the Indian counterparts of the international brands. And the company that we are honoring today is none other than Sony. Joining us here from Sony India is Shaunak Mondal, Product Manager, Digital Imaging at Sony India, Nimesh Thakkar, Assistant Manager, Marketing at Digital Imaging at Sony India, and Vinay Kumar V, Brand Activation in Charge, Digital Imaging at Sony India. Welcome to all of you at our felicitation ceremony. Thank you for being here with us. The TIPA Awards is a recognition of the world's best products across 40 categories. For us at Better Photography, as one of the 26 members of the worldwide TIPA, and the only member magazine from South Asia, it is equally a great honor for us to have you here for this felicitation. Once again, welcome to the Sony team. Sony is unique in the world of photography by being the youngest company in the photographic manufacturing sphere, with the first of the excellent A7 series first being seen in just 2013. But not just this, Sony also distinguishes itself by winning the maximum number of categories at the TIPA World Awards 2021. And here are the award categories and the products that won. The first TIPA World Award 2021 is for the category Best Full Frame Professional Camera. And the winner is the exceptional Sony Alpha 1. This is Sony's flagship of the Alpha lineup and sports a 50.1 megapixel stacked Exmor R CMOS sensor, 30 frames per second of blackout-free shooting, reduced rolling shutter distortion, and 8K video capability along with 4K at 120 FPS. The Sony Alpha 1 not just hits every note, it does it with flair, making it the best full-frame professional camera in the world. The second TIPA World Award 2021 is for the category Best Photo Video Camera Expert. And the award goes to the Sony Alpha 7S Mark III. Paired with an extreme low light capable back illuminated 12.1 MP Exmor R CMOS sensor, this brilliant camera delivers high quality 4K imagery at up to 120 FPS with Pro Video Codecs and an expanded dynamic range of up to a huge 15 stops, 16-bit RAW capability, and superior AF. For extreme low light stills and advanced video shooters, it does not get better than this. The third TIPA World Award 2021 is for the category Best Prime Standard Lens. And the winner is the Sony FE 50mm f1.2 GM. With a fast aperture of f1.2, this G Master lens features 11 blade diaphragm, declickable aperture ring, 3XA or extreme aspherical lens elements, and nano AR coating. The 4XD linear motors allow silent, precise, and rapid autofocus. This lens is aberration-free, sharp, and optimized for both stills and video. Sony's fourth TIPA World Award for 2021 is for the category the Best Vlogger Camera or the Best Vlogger Camera. And the award goes to the Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 features Ultra HD 4K output and various effects that are purpose-built for content creators. A special grip, close focus capability, and a side flip 3-inch LCD allows for monitoring during recording. Other features include a product showcase setting that puts focus on handheld items close to the lens. It also includes a background defocus function and excellent image stabilization. A gigantic congratulations from Better Photography for a magnificent win in 4 separate categories at the TIPA World Award 2021. Very, very well done indeed. Now, on the occasion, Shaunak, would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Madhavan, for the wonderful presentation and the lovely words for Sony. So yeah, I would like to thank Better Photography for organizing such a wonderful event for us. So first of all, so I'm Shaunak, in charge of product marketing for the digital imaging category of Sony India. So we are extremely pleased actually to receive these awards on behalf of Sony India. Needless to say that we are highly honored to be receiving such an important award from TIPA. So to add on, I mean, the main alpha mission that we have as a brand is to give creators the power to realize their dreams, and we at Sony would like to provide an opportunity to these creators with all the latest technologies and a platform to learn, evolve, and adapt. So our brand Sony has always been ahead in terms of innovation, and we are extremely grateful actually to all our engineers based out of Tokyo who are bringing such world-class products with cutting-edge technology. So the Alpha 1, the Alpha 7S Mark III, the 50mm G Master lens, and also the ZV-1 are results of such customer-centric approach. With the rise in latest trends such as the OTT and content creation, also cinematic movie making, vlogging, and live streaming, we believe that the wide range of Sony products, primarily the industry-leading mirrorless cameras, the professional and consumer cameras, will play a vital role in the coming future for us. Also, the camera industry has gone through a major transformation in the last 2 years, moving from DSLR towards mirrorless. And we are proud to say that Sony has led that change. So on behalf of the entire Sony team, I once again thank TIPA for recognizing Sony in the digital imaging space. And also we would like to thank Better Photography for organizing this wonderful session for us. I can very well assure you, Sony will continue to challenge the limits and keep delivering breathtaking products and services in the near future. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Thank you so much, Shaunak, for those wonderful words, and especially to all those engineers and to the R&D teams and to all those people behind the scenes who've developed these wonderful products. This is recognition by Better Photography and by TIPA on the world's best products in these categories. So thank you all, and thank you to the Sony team for being here with us to receive these certificates. And to all the viewers out there who are watching, thank you. You are a wonderful audience, and please stay tuned.
Thank you, Madhavan, once again. Thanks for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you.
To receive so many awards.